You do great work. Your craftsmanship speaks for itself. But does your website? Or is it just another generic template collecting digital dust while your competitors get the calls? Let's be honest, you don't need another online brochure. You need a system that brings in actual jobs. This is where the thinking shifts. Your website shouldn't just be a cost, it should be your hardest working employee, a 24/7 sales machine. At Core6 Marketing, that's what we build. We designed 100% custom WordPress sites from the ground up specifically for home service pros like you. No templates, no offshore developers. Every site is crafted right here in the US by a team that gets your industry. We build websites to rank in local search, so when someone searches for a plumber, they find you, not the other guy. We build them to load blazing fast and look sharp on any device because a slow site kills leads. We even provide contractor-optimized hosting. It's fast, secure, and backed by a team that knows your business. No ticket queues, no guesswork. We're an intentionally small agency, built to serve, not just scale. When you work with us, you won't get passed around from rep to rep. You work directly with the agency owner, someone who's accountable for your results and committed to your growth. No fluff, no middleman, just real strategy and execution. After 20+ years in business, over 700 completed projects, and 50,000 qualified leads generated, our track record says it all. So are you ready to build a website that works while you work? Let's talk about how Core6 can turn your online presence into a real lead generation machine.